Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We're inside in the kitchen today and I'm going to make two dishes. One will be a cucumber, tomato, and onion salad, and the other one will be fermented hot sauce. What I'm going to do with that is take the last of my hot peppers from Pepper Row, and I'm going to put them in my ceramic fermenting canister, and they will ferment in a brine for about maybe a week, 2 weeks, maybe longer, and then we'll process it when we're done. So let's get started. We're going to start with the tomato and cucumber salad first. We have here a cup and a half of water. We have some vinegar. You can use any type of vinegar that you like. This is red wine vinegar. We have a third of a cup of sugar. We're going to put some pepper in. We're going to put some basil in. We're going to put some salt. And last but not least, some Salad Supreme seasoning. Three tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, let me get my whisk to whisk this all together. And this is what the marinade will look like. Okay, in here I have a couple onions sliced like this. We have 2 tomatoes, and we have 6 of the Katrina cucumbers that I grew outside. Okay, we're going to mix this together. this is what it looks like. We're going to put it in the fridge and let it marinate for a couple of hours. And then we're going to get started on the next one. Okay, so we're back. Here I have 4 cups of water and 4 tablespoons of kosher salt. And I'm going to stir it in until the salt completely dissolves. Okay, that's completely dissolved. Here we have carrots, we have onions, we have Marconi peppers, and we also have the last of the hot peppers from Pepper Row. We have some jalapenos, some Scotch bonnets, some Trinidad scorpion, and some cayenne. And I'm going to put everything, starting with the carrots, into my fermenting canister. I also have 3 cloves of elephant ear garlic. Okay, this is maybe about a third of the way full. So now I'm going to take my weights and place them on top. This will prevent any of the vegetables from floating. And then we're going to take the brine and pour it in, making sure that all of the liquid covers the vegetables. We don't want any of the vegetables floating above the weights. Okay, everything's in. Now we're going to take the lid, put it on, and we're going to put this in a dark place for at least 7 days for the fermenting process to start. And I may let it go longer. The last time I made hot sauce, it went 2 weeks. So I'll bring you back when it's time to actually make the hot sauce. If you're interested in the canister itself, I purchased it off of Amazon, and I believe it's on my Amazon website, storefront rather. I'll have to check and see. If you're interested in any of the seeds for the peppers that I used and the cucumbers, they're on my website, which will be listed in the description portion of the video. So if you like this type of content, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take this moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but one thing I can't grow is the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, go ahead and hit the like button and the notification all. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you would like to join a small space gardening group, head over to Facebook and look up Small Space Gardening, where you can meet like-minded people like yourself and me that are interested in gardening and growing their own food, but are only limited by space. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, never forget to give thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, stay blessed.